Hi everyone, welcome to the Page Builder series videos with Lightfunnels. What are the main sections of the Lightfunnels page builder? The top bar, the sidebar, the editing panel, the building playground. Here you can navigate the pages you have in your funnel. Here you can select the product you want to use for your page. Edit the linked product from here. The eye icon allows you to preview your page without the Builder UI. Here you can switch between devices and preview and edit your page on each device as you wish. Undo and redo your changes. X-Ray helps you perform a thorough scan of your page elements and layout to identify any issues. Create and access your pop-ups from here. Preview your live page. And this button is for saving your changes. The sidebar. First is the Sections tab. Here you will find many pre-made sections. Using the sections is quite simple. Just select the section you want to use and drag and drop it to your page. Your saved sections and smart sections. The Element tab. Here you will find all the essential elements you'll need to construct your page. Simply drag your element to the desired location on your page. The Edit tab. The tab where you'll spend most of your time. Within this tab, you have the ability to modify and personalize every EA element on your page. Simply select the element, and you'll have all the styling and settings options for it. Layers tab. Here you can select and interact with every element on your page. In this area, you can access all layers on your page. You can select the layer you want to edit and go to the relevant element, where you can hide an element with the eye icon or delete it with the trash can icon. Styles tab. The Global Styles tab provides comprehensive control over page styles in your funnel, reducing the need for manual customization of each element. This saves time and effort while ensuring a cohesive and professional appearance for pages, enhancing the user experience. Furthermore, automatic updates to all elements using a specific style when its value changes eliminate the need for users to update each element manually. Settings tab. You can use it to manage and set your page details, such as page URL, page title, page type, etc. You can adjust the SEO settings of your page from this tab. And you can add custom HTML codes to your page using the Custom HTML tab. Lightfunnels Academy continues to grow the panel with the videos we have prepared for Lightfunnels users to work more efficiently and see what they can do using the power of Lightfunnels. We will continue to prepare all the features of Lightfunnels with tutorial videos. You can create stunning websites with dozens of free funnels and store themes that Lightfunnels offers to its users. Thanks to the fast and easy use of the panel, you can create more work in less time. Moreover, Lightfunnels comes with a 14-day trial for new users. Create an account today and build a store or funnels using the powerful features we offer you. Experience the joy of selling.